cross. You see the mark? Okay, so showing the Zimbabwe side and the Zambia side. That's the Victoria Falls, the Zambezi River. Welcome to Victoria Falls. I'm here in Zimbabwe. So I'm heading to the falls. So this is Simosi Watunia, Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe. So I arrived yesterday and it was very fascinating. Right, let's head to the falls. The mighty, Victoria Falls here in Zimbabwe. Heading to the falls. This is Victoria Falls National Park. This is the rainforest here in Zimbabwe side. So it's cool inside. Kind of to the falls. I can see that. What's that? The meaning of that? Mosi that's yeah, Mosi means that is smoke that thunder. There you go. I remember that thunder, but I'm missing the words. Yeah, I'm taking a video. So I am heading to the falls and I can hear the thunder. What is it? Friday. So I'm inside the park. It's a beautiful country. I've been wanting to go to this park. It's falls and right here in Zimbabwe. Thank you very much. Okay, what's the name again? Smoke the Thunders. Okay, that's in Victoria Falls. Alright, I have to get my rain jacket. Bye for now. Thank you. Welcome to Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe. This is the Mosi Watunia. This is the Smoke That Thunder. It's a rainbow. Right this is in the Zimbabwe side. So it's raining. So this is the smoke to the thunders. This is the greatest and the mightiest Victoria Falls here in Zimbabwe. The other side of that direction is the Zambia side. Okay, see, I know how to see the rainbow down there. This is the Mosi Watunia. This is the Smoke That Thunder. This is inside the Victoria Falls National Park, and this is in Zimbabwe. See the majestic Zambezi River and the mighty drops of the Victoria Falls here in Zimbabwe. This is Mosi Watunia. The indigenous name is known as the Smoke That Thunder. We go here, we have to get a rain jacket, especially if you are close to the falls. Right, heading to the other side of the falls. Tomorrow I'm going to jump in. I'm going to the Victoria Bridge to jump into the Zambezi River. Okay, heading to the next part of the falls. But now, there we go. Here's the Livingstone statue here in Zimbabwe. So in Victoria Falls. So right before the Victoria Falls. So historically, Livingstone was the one from the United Kingdom. Okay, he was the first European who discovered and named the Victoria Falls. Okay, in honor of Queen Victoria in the United Kingdom. But prior to his arrival, the indigenous people, the Tonga people, they called this as the Mosi Watunia, which means their language, which means the smoke thunder. So the indigenous people go here to pay respect to their spiritual belief for spiritual reason, not for touristic reason. So here is Livingstone. So the explorer discovered from the United Kingdom. Alright, so I am here in Zimbabwe. So inside National Park. I'm heading to the next side. Section is the last gate spot where the water starts dropping into the Zambezi River. See how powerful and mighty the water is. So that goes into the Zambezi River, into the gorge. This is in the Zimbabwe side, the Victoria Falls. There's some resting spot here in the Victoria Falls. So this is the end of the trail. Actually, the path walk along this side of the falls, and then on the other side is the other side. One of the wonders of nature, and this is in the Zimbabwean side. So this is the Victoria Falls, and you see the huge drops of water into the Zambezi River. So welcome. So each time you go to these falls, you have to wear a rain jacket because it's gonna wet, and it's so wet.